There are some standout benefits in choosing an induction stovetop, and this gorgeous Kleenmaid induction stovetop is going to show us exactly what I mean by that. Now, this is something that a lot of people haven't taken into consideration. When choosing an induction, this speeds up heat transfer so quickly. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, all I have to do is just pick the element that I want to use, crank the heat, and then put on the metal pot. Now, this is the other thing that I really love about this, is the safety. I know that this half frying pan looks a bit crazy, but this is a really good way of demonstrating exactly how fast the heat transfer is, and also the safety issues that I was talking about before. So first of all, I'm going to put a piece of ice onto our fry pan, half fry pan, and then I'm going to put a piece over here on the element. Case and point. So this is just a really clear demonstration of how the pot is the only part that heats, not the element itself. A large oven is such a great addition to any kitchen, and this beautiful Kleenmaid 90cm oven is absolutely perfect, because not only is it wide, it's also really deep. It has 15 different functions, which allows you to go from cooking bread to maybe 2 whole chickens. But this thing is so big, it can cook 6 whole pizzas, which is just fantastic. And it cleans itself. Brilliant. And don't let the size fool you. This oven heats up to 150 degrees in just 4 minutes.